The Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Checking in on our UVA WISE camera this morning, looking at the skies over the WISE area. Notice the high stratus clouds starting to work into the area. That's ahead of a cold front. That cold front will sweep in later on this afternoon. Winds a little bit breezy ahead of the front, though. Southwest 13 right now in WISE. Temperatures, hey, not bad at all. 46 degrees temperature inversion ahead of that front. Warm front lifting north, helping to keep you guys a bit warmer. Some of the higher elevations. The valleys this morning in the 30s, though, with clouds streaming in. Check out our visible imagery here from our satellites. You notice those high clouds starting to work into the area. They'll be with us through much of today. Cold front back towards the west. See the clearing across Chicago into the St. Louis area, Davenport, Iowa. The front is located right about there. And as it sweeps on in later today, it'll bring us a slight chance of a shower, but I don't think it's going to bring us a huge chance, and here's why. Notice the dew points this morning. Dew point is a measure of how moist the air is, how much moisture is in the air. 32 right now, our dew point in the Tri-Cities, 39 in WISE, 31 in Richlands, and 36 in Abingdon. What that tells me with dew points in the 30s is that the air is very dry, so any front that comes in is going to have a hard time producing a ton of rainfall because of all that dry air we have around the area. So today I'm just expecting maybe a spotty shower or two, breezy conditions and mostly cloudy skies across much of our area with temperatures generally in the 50s, some mid-50s to lower 50s across southwest Virginia, upper 50s across portions of northeast Tennessee. Really depend on if we get any breaks in the cloud cover. If we do, I think temperatures will be able to get up to these upper 50s. If not, we may be down into the lower 50s this afternoon. We're going to fingers crossed that we get into the upper 50s. 56 degrees if you're going hiking today, maybe around 2,000 feet. A little bit cooler up at altitude around 4,000 feet and around 6,000 feet, 44 degrees with mostly cloudy skies expected across the entire area. Tonight, skies become partly cloudy after that front moves on through. Temperatures falling down into the 30s, looking for a low around 34 as you wake up on your Sunday morning. Traveling home today from the Tri-Cities, that front moving through, so some clouds, maybe a spotty shower across East Tennessee, Eastern Kentucky, and portions of Virginia. High pressure control across the southeast. Some colder weather behind the front and also rain and snow in the Pacific Northwest. Seattle and Oregon have been dealing with a lot of rain, some flooding over the past couple of days. So if you're traveling back to Seattle or portions of the Pacific Northwest, keep that in mind. Maybe some airport delays across that area. Could also be some minor delays in the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area with this front moving in, producing a little bit of light rain and snow as it does. Locally, I think our next weather maker is going to be this high pressure area that moves in as we go into Monday, helping to keep us nice and dry. High pressure creates sinking air, so that limits the amount of cloud cover and limits the amount of rainfall potential. Behind that high pressure, as it slides gently off towards the east, we're going to have another system move in. That system is going to move in late next week into the Thursday, Friday time frame. Still some differences on our modeling on when this front is going to move in and how much moisture it's going to have associated with it. Our best guess and thinking right now is that we're going to have the chance for rain late Thursday into Friday, and you'll see that reflected here on our 7-day forecast with a 30% chance for some showers late Thursday into Friday. Temperatures dancing a little bit this week. We're going to go from the 50s into the 60s, back in the 50s, overnight lows generally in the 30s. And some 20s as well as you wake up on your Monday morning behind that frontal system that moves through tonight. Get some clearing skies. You go into Sunday night, and that sets up a cold start to the day on Monday as a lot of people head back to work after the long holiday weekend.
You know, Ricky, it's been 3 months.